Read the job descriptions. Complete the sentences with a word from the box.
A business person buys and sells things in Bangladesh or in other countries. A teacher works in a school. Children learn how to read and write from this person. A pilot flies planes. He or she travels around the world. A computer engineer studies computer science and can fix computers. A doctor looks after ill people and helps them to become healthy. A farmer grows crops such as rice. We get our food from this person.
Pair work. Talk about the jobs in Activity F. Which job would you like to do? Why?
I would like to be a pilot. I would like to visit other countries. I would like to be a teacher. I would like to work with children.
Write 3 sentences about what would you like to do in the future. Use the information from Activity F.
Example: I would like to be a doctor. I would like to help sick children. I would like to help them to become healthy. Step 1. What would you like to do in the future? In the future, I would like to be farmer, doctor, pilot. Choose a profession you would like to focus on. Doctor. Why do you want to be a doctor? Noble profession to help sick people, training and practices. I would like to be a doctor. Doctor is a very noble profession. I would like to help sick children. I would like to help them to become healthy. Step 2. Now write 3 sentences about a teacher or a pilot. In the future, I would like to be farmer, doctor, pilot.